Welcome to another amazing wild adventure in our Fun Kids learning videos today. Can you hear that funny buzzing sound coming from the beautiful yellow flowers? Look very closely at that tiny flying insect with bright yellow and black stripes. This hard-working little honeybee is searching for delicious sweet nectar right now. Behind that fuzzy little body is one of the smartest creatures on Earth. What do you think this busy little bee is doing inside that flower? Try buzzing like a happy bee flying around your living room right now. These amazing toddler learning videos will show you their incredible hidden wild secrets. A single honeybee visits thousands of blooming flowers every single sunny day. Have you ever wondered why they always fly from flower to flower constantly? They are actually collecting sweet sugary juice to make delicious golden honey later. Making sweet honey requires a massive amount of hard work and perfect teamwork. Let us watch these amazing little workers closer in our kids' educational videos. Notice how her entire tiny body is covered in lots of soft, fuzzy hair. Those tiny soft hairs help her catch yellow pollen dust from every single flower. She uses her long, flexible tongue like a tiny straw to drink sweet nectar. Can you roll your tongue and pretend to drink sweet flower juice right now? Her 4 delicate, clear wings beat incredibly fast to keep her flying perfectly steady. Because her wings move so incredibly fast, they create that funny, loud buzzing sound. Try flapping your arms very fast and make a loud buzzing sound with me. Did you know that thousands of busy bees live together in one giant family? Their amazing hanging wooden home is called a giant buzzing beehive, high up. Inside this amazing busy beehive, every single insect has a very special, important job. There is only one giant mother bee inside, and she is called the queen. The beautiful giant queen bee lays thousands of tiny white eggs every single day. Other younger female worker bees stay inside to clean the large, busy wooden home. Older female worker bees bravely fly outside to gather sweet food for the family. It is completely amazing how perfectly they work together without ever fighting or arguing. You can learn so many wonderful teamwork lessons watching these educational videos for kids. Let us follow this brave worker bee as she flies back to her family. She carries heavy yellow pollen packed tightly on her tiny little fuzzy back legs. When she finally arrives home, she performs an incredible secret wiggling dance for everyone. This funny wiggling dance actually tells other bees exactly where the delicious flowers are. They completely understand her secret dance instructions and fly straight toward the exact location. Can you try doing a funny wiggling dance to show your friends a secret? This clever dancing communication makes them the smartest tiny flying insects in the world. Inside the dark, busy hive, they carefully store sweet nectar inside perfect wax hexagons. They fan the wet nectar with their tiny wings until it becomes thick honey. This delicious, thick golden honey provides important food for the whole large bee family. Do you love eating sweet golden honey on your warm morning breakfast toast sometimes? You should always say thank you to these hard-working little flying golden insect helpers. Suddenly, a large hungry bird swoops down from the bright blue summer sky above. The giant scary bird wants to catch our tiny brave flying friend for lunch. But the smart little bee quickly dives deep inside a thick, green, thorny bush.
When a honeybee
The
finds a good
giant,
source of nectar,
frustrated
it
bird
returns to the hive
cannot
and performs
reach
the
through
wiggle
the
dance.
sharp,
This
painful
dance communicates
thorns
the
and
direction and
flies
distance to
away.
the flowers.
Whew! That was a very scary close escape for our tiny, brave, buzzing friend.
By
The
focusing our
wild,
efforts on
natural
these three
world
sectors,
is
we
extremely
maximize the
dangerous
nectar
for such a
yield.
small, fragile,
I see.
flying
That's
insect.
brilliant.
They must constantly watch the sky carefully while collecting their heavy, sweet floral food. Watching their brave daily survival makes these preschool learning videos incredibly exciting and fun. Have you ever noticed how many delicious, juicy fruits grow in your summer garden? Without these amazing, busy flying bees, those delicious fruits would never actually grow properly. While they gather sweet nectar, they accidentally spread yellow pollen between many different flowers. This extremely important yellow dust sharing magically creates crunchy apples and sweet red strawberries. Every single time you eat an apple, you should thank a tiny flying bee. They silently perform the most important ecological job for our entire giant green planet. Unfortunately, human habitat destruction sadly reduces their safe homes and beautiful, clean floral food. If these colorful, busy bees disappear, our whole natural environment will become very sick. We must absolutely protect their precious, beautiful, blooming habitats so they can fly safely. You can easily help them by planting many colorful, blooming flowers in your yard. Will you promise to plant some bright, beautiful yellow flowers for our buzzing friends? Even a small, colorful, blooming flower pot provides a wonderful, safe resting food station. Let us watch the busy little bee land gently on one last pink flower. She quickly drinks the final sweet drops before the bright, warm sun goes down. Her tiny, clear wings catch the beautiful golden orange light from the setting sun. It is finally time for her to fly safely back to her buzzing family. Wave your hands quickly and say goodbye to our amazing, hardworking little flying friend. You learned something absolutely incredible today from such a tiny, fragile, buzzing flying insect. Did you enjoy watching them gracefully fly around in our fun cartoons for kids? Which fascinating secret about their amazing busy life was your absolute favorite to discover? Do you want to explore more tiny, awesome, wild creatures with us? Very soon. Our amazing baby videos always help you discover the greatest hidden wild nature secrets. Every single fun video helps you learn something powerful about our beautiful, giant Earth. The natural outdoor world is completely full of giant, wonderful surprises waiting for you. Look carefully around your own green garden tomorrow morning to find a fuzzy bee. If you look very carefully, you will spot tiny, incredible natural miracles absolutely everywhere. Never forget how completely important these small, fragile, floating golden insects actually really are.
Bye-bye,
Thank you for joining our wonderful, bright, exploring outdoor adventure today, my curious friend. You are quickly becoming a very smart young scientist by asking such great questions. Remember to always share these totally cool, amazing animal facts with your best friends. The great, wild, beautiful world always needs more curious, clever young explorers exactly like you.
When we turn
Press
the page,
play
we
on the
discover
next
Buzzy the
amazing
bee
educational
resting on a
video
big
to keep your
sunflower.
clever
See how
brain
happy he
growing.
is?
See you next time on our wonderful, exciting wild animal discovery, Kids Learning Channel. You should absolutely show your happy parents how a smart honeybee wiggles today. Always keep your bright eyes totally open for more beautiful little wings flying nearby. Every single colorful spring garden holds a brand new exciting mystery for you today. We will definitely keep exploring the amazing wild animal kingdom together every single week.
I heard the
Your
humans are
powerful
planting
young
extra
brain
nectar over
gets
by
so
the
much
big oak
stronger
tree.
when you
Don't tell
watch our
anyone I
toddler
told you.
songs. Can you please draw a beautiful, fuzzy yellow bee with bright, happy colors tonight? Mother Nature completely needs clever, smart, brave helpers, exactly like you, to protect bugs. Sweet, wonderful, happy dreams to all our amazing, curious, young little wild explorers watching today.